What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another tech video. All right. Now, if y'all would have seen just a couple nights ago, Samsung announced their own virtual reality kind of headset, and here it is. All right. I watched the presentation, and I said, you know what? If this thing is not the cost of the Apple Vision Pro or whatever it's called, then I'll give this a shot. If it's cheaper than that, I'll give it a shot. And it's like half the price of the Apple Vision Pro, man. I like the way that thing looked. Even though I know you can go get like a Meta Quest. In fact, my daughters have one of the Meta Quest, the Oculus. This is the receipt. But my daughters have one of the Oculus, but I've never actually used it, so I've never really been immersed in that world. But I was interested in this, man. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead and make that order. Now, I did also order the carrying case with this, and I was actually able to get this for a little under retail, considering, you know, I get the $100. I think I want to say the carrying case might have been free because, you know, they have the $100 promotional thing. So I don't think I actually pay very much for that. And then I get, you know, a military discount on top of it. So I'm swatting at a fly that it's flying in front of me right now. But anyway, a little under retail. I know a lot of people were like, oh man, I spent like $2,000 or so, but mine wasn't. So it was close, but it wasn't the 2 mark. So here is the side, and then here is the other side. And you can see over here it says the Android XR there. Anything on the back, anything on the bottom, okay? So this explains what's all in here. So packaging contains the Samsung Galaxy XR, a wall charger, and USB-C to USB-C cable, power cable, battery pack, forehead cushion, cushion size adjusters, light shields, protective cover, lens cleaning cloth, and the quick start guides. All right. So let's go ahead and get into this, man. I'm kind of curious. I've never had anything like this. It's a heavy box, but I guess it should be for everything that is included with it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Point of no return now. Boom. That's one side, and let me go to, ooh, it's already opening. Let me not drop that. And then go to this side and come straight across. Boom. All right. Now we go ahead and we slide that on off. That's the top of the box there. And that was the inside of the box and what was protecting everything. I'll go ahead and put that to the side here. And here is the headset itself. All right, this is the headset itself. Looks like that is that the power button there? That kind of looks like the power button. All right. And this is probably to adjust it. And then, okay, so this looks like the cover. I didn't realize it came with a cover. That's why I actually got the carrying case, because I didn't realize there was something to protect the front. But that's good to know that there is something to protect the front. Now, I did not get any lenses. I do wear glasses, but I don't wear them all the time. So if I'm using this, I'm not going to wear it with my glasses. I think I'll be fine. Let me go ahead and take this off. And here is the device. here it is. I think that looks pretty nice, man. That looks pretty cool. There is a list of things that it comes with. One of which that I thought was a great seller was the NBA League Pass. You get a whole year of NBA League Pass in addition to this. Like, I think that's a win, man. I think that's a good deal. And you can see a bunch of the cameras and things on the front. I did not realize during the presentation all these cameras and things, man. Look at that. That's a lot of different things on the front there. But all right, let me put this, I'm gonna put this back on to protect it a little bit until I can get ready to see everything else. This is what it was sitting on inside the case. So put that to the side here. And then, all right, so we got accessories and power. So let's go here. Nice presentation. So Samsung, you are showing that you can do this, okay? How come your phone's presentations are trash? But look at the presentation for this. Look at everything you're providing to make sure this experience is top notch. But when I get the phone, I'm getting a box and a charge cable, and that's it. Like, how come I can't get a power brick in the phone box? Whatever. So this is, it looks like this is for your head. So I guess I will connect this over there. And this is another piece. So can I take, what if I want to, oh, okay, it connects. So if I wanted to add more, oh, okay, they connect together. Boom. And then I guess you would just put both of them in. All right, and it slides in place, it locks in. Okay, so that's cool. If I needed a little bit more, you know, protection up here, where does this go? Okay, up there at the top. That's for your headpiece right there. Right here in the top. So this would connect into that. All right. So you can, it was two pieces of that. And you can either use just the slim piece here, or you can connect the thicker piece there and add that on in there. All right, so I'll put that to the side for now. I don't know how I even, okay, let me take this off, and then I'll put that to the side for now. And this is what I believe you use to block out the extra light on the bottom here. So you put this, it looks like you slide that in there. Yep, you lock that on in there, and that helps block out the light, the extra light that comes in. All right, so I'll put that down for now, and then put that to the side and go to, this is the power side now. We're going to go to the power side, and this is manual lens and cleaning cloth. I'll put that to the side. Look at this. Look at this. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. Samsung put a charging brick in one of their devices, man. Look at that. Anything is possible. We got a charge cable, USB-C to a power brick, man. I ain't seen a power brick inside a Samsung device in years, man. Look at this. It's been at least since the, man, when was the last time I got a power brick in a Samsung device? S10? The S10 Plus back in those days? Okay, and here is the power cable for, so I wonder what that one's for. What is, okay, so here is the cable. Put this here, it looks like. Oh, okay, I see. This looks like it goes in here. You plug that in there. Okay, and then you take this and you put it, let's see, I don't know how to do this correctly. I might have to mess around with this. Do I do it like this? Okay, it looks like it's in. No? Is that in there correctly? And then it says slide. Oh, okay. You slide it down to lock. So now it's locked into place. All right. Take this sticker off. And I'll put that here for now. Okay, so there is the power cord that you would need, because I guess it's not wireless. All right, please connect the charger. Please connect the charger until the red light appears before first use. Okay, fair enough. So I will have to charge it first, but this is pretty much an unboxing. This is pretty much an unboxing experience, showing you everything that's in the box. Once again, this is the manual and lens cleaning cloth. Let's go ahead and get into this and see what we got in here. There's your manual inside there. And here is the, your cleaning cloth. That's a nice cleaning cloth. Samsung branded cleaning cloth. All right, so I'll put that to the side for now, and I'll go back to getting everything charged up, and I'll try to bring you all my experience, man, in another video. But that's gonna do it for this one. I guess I need to take this out and charge everything up. I didn't really want to rip that off, so let me gently undo the, and then I ripped it. All right, so anyway, take this off, and then I guess I need to charge it up, which is cool. Take that off of there, and here is the full cable. And go ahead and charge everything up, and boom, look at that. Super fast charging. It's a super fast charging brick too. Low standby. Man, Samsung, y'all did all right. You did your thing with this. How come we can't get one of these in the phone boxes though, Samsung? Like, how come I can't get that in my Z Fold case? Make the box a little bit thicker and give me that. All right, so I gotta charge this up. But once again, man, this is the device. This is your cover. That's a nice material there. And then you slide it off. And on the inside, this is a softer material to protect your lenses, I would assume, and cutouts to protect the buttons and everything. All right, but once again, here is your device itself, and I think that looks pretty cool, man. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think that looks pretty cool. And I can undo this. Yep, you see, you use this and it gives you a little bit more room. I got a big old head, so I know I'm gonna need to have that stretched out. Let me see if I can slide on. Oh, okay. Let me see. I got the camera on, so I can't bring it all the way down, but man, that's light on my head. That's light on my head, man. That's not very heavy at all. Yeah. I can't put it all the way on. I don't know if you guys can see the reflection here, but I have the GoPro on my head, so I can't really slide it all the way down right now. But I'm gonna get it charged up, and I'm gonna get it tested. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna see if I can watch some NBA. I know you guys can see the NBA playing in the background. I'm gonna see if I can watch some NBA League Pass. Go Charlotte Hornets. And then I'll bring you some more content, man. Let me know what you guys might want to see, anything that you all are thinking about. This is my first time with a VR headset, so I'm not going to be the most experienced person, but Anything that you all can think of that you might be curious about, maybe I can provide an answer, man. But until then, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. And I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.